Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ono Hawaiian BBQ macaroni salad. First, let's get started with the macaroni itself. You'll want to boil 1 pound of elbow macaroni until it's quite soft, going beyond the usual al dente. Once cooked, drain it well and place it into a large bowl. While the pasta is still warm, sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and toss to coat. This step is key for flavor absorption. Next, we'll create that signature creamy dressing. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2½ cups of your favorite mayonnaise with 1/4 cup of milk. Then, add 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Mix everything until it's perfectly smooth and all the ingredients are fully incorporated. This rich, tangy dressing is what makes the salad so special. Now it's time to bring everything together. To your macaroni, add 2 shredded carrots and 1/4 cup of finely shredded onion. Pour the creamy dressing you just made over the macaroni and vegetables. Gently fold everything together until every piece is completely coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the salad for a minimum of 2 to 4 hours. Chilling overnight allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, give your macaroni salad a good stir to ensure the dressing is evenly distributed. For an extra touch of freshness and a pop of color, you can garnish it with some freshly chopped green onions. This creamy, tangy macaroni salad is best served chilled alongside your favorite Hawaiian barbecue dishes. Any remaining salad can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.